welcome back to my channel. My name is Renelle. So in today's video we are going to be doing the October unboxing of the Boxy trunk. So we'll go ahead and get right into it. Zoom y'all in a little closer. Okay. So this month it is about After Dark is the theme of this month. I'm really excited about this. Okay. So let me go ahead and bring my calculator up on my phone. Which, by the way, I did get the new iPhone 11. The 2 cameras, not the 3. This is the only one that they had in stock. It is in color purple. So go ahead and bring my calculator up. Okay. So the first thing that we have is going to be the Touch and Soul Glassy, I think it's called. Yeah, it's a Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. It's an ultra hydrating, priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. This is $32. So I opened the box and I took them out and stuff like that. I've not actually opened it and looked at it. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is really, really pretty. So it does come with a thing like this that you have to lift up. And it's got a really good smell. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it smells really good. I do like the packaging. Let's see, and it is a little bit over an ounce. So let's see the next thing that we got. This is the iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss. Oh, sorry, that was my cat. Sorry about that. This is the Plumping Lip Gloss. Does it have a name? I can't. It doesn't have a name on it, sorry. It just says that this is a iconic lip plumping gloss. Is the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biometric peptide which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. That's what it looks like. It's really a pretty color. This would be like a perfect summer or spring color. So let's see. If you hear animals running around, you know, I have mine in here, but I also am dog sitting my niece's dog right now, and her name's Bella too, so I have 2 Bellas in my house. It's gonna be fun. So I'm dog sitting her for a while. Okay, so the iconic lip gloss is $26. So you got 32 plus 26. So we're up to 58 bucks, which this itself, you know, either one of these has paid for itself. Has paid for the box, pretty much. Okay. So the next one that I'm pulling out is the Steve Laurent highlighter. This is the jelly highlighter. It's not like the liquid kind. This is what it looks like. It's really, really pretty. It's really gorgeous too. And this is called, in the shade called Prosecco Please. Okay, so says that this jelly highlighter formula is a bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so fun to use. Watch it glide on with ease using your favorite blush or brush, not blush, sorry, or simply dab it on with your finger for an effortless glow. Okay, so this is also $26. Okay, and then the next item we have is a Jean Bleu lip liner pencil in dark natural. Okay, so this is a wooden pencil that you do have to sharpen. Let's see. This says master any desired lip color and produce long wearing staying power with Jaunt Blue lip liner pencil. The creamy, highly pigmented formula glides on every slate and can be worn alone, used for flawless lip contouring, or used as a long-lasting base for any lip color. That would actually go pretty good with that lip color. That pencil is $5. Okay, and then the last item that we received is going to be the Marvelous Mauves Dose of Colors. I love these. I don't even know if I think I've got this one. I'm not 100% certain. So this is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. The palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. Which purple, I love mauve colors like this because it goes really good with my eye color, which I've got hazel eyes. This will really bring out like the blues or the greens or anything like that. It does come with a brush, as you can see right there. That is what the palette looks like. It's really a gorgeous palette. I mean, it's really, really pretty. But if I've already got this, I probably will give this to one of the girls I work with. Okay, and that is $32. Okay, so this one, you know, wasn't really exciting. You know, we did get some good items in it, stuff like that. Nothing I'm really excited about, except maybe for this. This smells bomb. So altogether, this whole box is valued at a total of $121, which again is not bad for what you pay, like $22 for it, I think, tax and all or something like that. This is a good, you know, it's decent. It's not, but it's a good box. So, you know, I'm really excited for this, and it's a lot of pink tones or, you know, like mauve tones or something like that. More suited for spring, summer, I think, than fall or winter, but yeah, I'm really excited about it, and I will probably be using them, especially this one, because this is, and this smells so good. So I will go ahead and use these in a new video, probably in the next couple of weeks, so you will be seeing these in use. I have a lot of stuff that I need to use, to be honest with you, and a lot of videos I need to be getting up. But anyway, I do want to thank you all so much for tuning in, and I hope that you'll like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you all later.